Hello, hi, welcome to Talk Excel with Ralph. Today, we'll be looking at a data and seeing the power of pivot, what we can do with pivot table. So, we have a data set here, a large data set here given to us to work with, and the data contains about 9,995 columns and rows, probably rules. Now you have to work on this data and gather some information for presentation. Now, this data was given to you, and this is called dates, and this is called dates, and they came in form of number. First you format your data. So before you start working on any data, you have to format the data by saying set this as dates, and we say okay. So this come as dates. Now let's look at what we want to do. There's a question for us here. Say use pivot table for all questions. Now question 1 here says find the sales made in each quarter of 2016 for all the region. Use other year as a slicer. Also show how to create a pivot chart and a timeline. So let's go to it. Let's see. Now the other year they're talking about here, when they say find the sales made in each quarter of 2016. Now the sales made here by this year, this is 2017, we have 2015, 2016, 2017, and so let's see what we do with pivot table. First, we come here on our data. Once you click here on how to use pivot data, you start with going to insert, then you click on insert, then you say pivot table. A box comes up, a pivot table of range comes up, and it shows you this. All you need to do, are you pushing your pivot into a new worksheet, or you want to use the existing table? So perhaps this exercise will be using this existing table. So once you click existing table, the system will expect you to pick where the pivot table need to start from. So let's go here. Let's go to where we want to present our pivot table and say right here. Then the system will take, then Excel will take its location. Then you say OK. Once you click on OK, the pivot table feed will display here just as you have it. Now let's follow the question. The question says find the sales made in each quarter of 2016. So we start with the year 2016, the sales. The other year is this, other dates is this. So as we click this, what you see on the roll as the roll is, like you can see here, is 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. So by the time you go down, we are not concerned by the year, rather we are concerned by quarters. So what we do, we uncheck the year, then the Excel have changed this from being year to quarter, as you can see. So the next we go for the region. So we're looking for region, we bring region. So most time when you click region, region can come straight into the rows. We don't need it to be on the rows. So we uncheck and then drag it and put it in column. So we say be in column. So you can see it display here, east region, the south region, the central region, the west region, and grand total. Now we look for our sales. We look for our sales. So we say sales. Once you click on sales, sales will stay at the value part. Now at this point, we're done with this pivot table feed. So we leave here and come to this place. So as it is, you can as well see that first quarter have totaled, and all of what we have is for 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. Now you can check them first quarter, second quarter, and the third quarter and fourth quarter. So you can see this. Now, what we are interested in is 2016, for 2016. So how do we do this? So we can filter this by saying, come here, you right click here. So once you right click here, it will give you a date filter. So you click on date filter and go between, say between. Now we want to say between what date to what date. So between 1st of January 2016 to 12th December of 31st December 2016, and we say OK. Once you click OK, you can see the changes here. The system have changed. Now you will see that the information you have here is rightly for January, Now you can see you just move around it, you will see the system showing information, and grand total, the December is also showing you the information of what you have. Now let's go straight to the question says we should use other year as a slicer. We've done that. Also show how to create a pivot chart. So how do you create a pivot chart? Now what you do is click here to select all your pivot information. Then we go to insert. So we go to insert. This is a line chart. Let's pick a line chart. Now we say we're working with this line chart. So immediately we have a line chart here, and then you can as well confirm the information you have. This is the order date between 1st January 2016 to, you can see there, to December 31st 2016. That's what we have. So this is the order date. It's also showing you, so the information for East, like we have the region is saying this is for the central region, the east region, the south region, and the west region. So the legend here is showing us the information as we have it. So we go straight to insert what? Bring in what we call the timeline. So I can as well go back to insert and say, instead of using slicer here, we use timeline. Now the timeline is saying, what timeline are we looking at? Order dates. So the order dates, it will come up. So now watch the power of the timeline you have. The power of the timeline is helping us. Hold on, let me do this. Let me adjust this a bit. Okay, good. So this can come in. Now the timeline we have is saying 2016. Now if you move it to 2015, the whole of the information you have here, it will showing you the quarterly information for 2015 and their grand total as it relates to all the region. 2015, you can see the information have changed, and also the graph have also changed. You can see. So this for 2017, 2018. So that is what you do with pivot table, bringing your large data to present them on a presentable way, showing the chart, showing the data analysis information on the table, and also using this slicer or timeline to show their breakdown according to year. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time.